Grabe, ang mahal ng return ticket.
Anong
I mean yung round trip
round trip ticket?
worth 15,000. Kaya sana man maka-final.
Okay, sige. Anong Bisaya ang salita sa inyo?
Yes,
Pwede mo ba
Bisaya.
silang batiin yung mga kabibayan natin, mga Bisaya na nanonood ngayong gabi sa ating live and of course yung ating mga nandito?
Maayong gabi sa atong gwapo kaayo nga mga judges nga nagalingkod unta maluoy mo sa ako nga ikarga ko sa top 5. In Tagalog, magandang gabi sa napaka mga gwapo natong hurado. Sana maawa kayo at ipasok niyo sa top 5.
Maluoy jud mo para sa kinaugmaan ni Ring Bayot.
Kaya nga, kasi wala na talaga akong pamasahe.
Ay, wala ka ng pamasahe?
Yes, kaya
Magpapaikot po kami ng sobre, ambagan po tayo para may pamasahe po siya, ha?
Ay, ma'am, sure, hindi na po kailangan.
Bakit?
Kailangan lang po natin kausapin ang ating mga judges.
Ay, hindi ka sigurado.
Tama, diba? Yes, pero syempre nasa kamay ng mga hurado, pero nasa kapalaran mo naman.
Correct. And speaking of Horado, ito yung iyong judge.
Yes.
Siya na lang, nag-iisa. Boss, what's your question?
Hello, how are you?
Good evening, sir. I want you to know that you're so handsome.
Baka biglang tumaas score mo, ha?
More pa, baka tumaas daw
Do you
score.
love the Philippines?
Of course.
So if you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government or no government at all?
Once again, sir.
One more time. Take it away.
If you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government, isang napaka-corrupt na gobyerno, or no government at all? So walang gobyerno at all.
I will choose to have no government at all, because as Filipinos we are leaders in our own ways, and corruption is one of the greatest obstacles to our nation's progress. It robs resources from the people, weakens trust in leadership, and depends inequality. In the Philippines today, how we have witnessed how Ghost Project continue to affect millions of lives, and I hope that we Filipinos, as the election is approaching, we should vote for a leader who can be with us so that no one will suffer the sadness of poverty. Good evening.
Thank you so much, IR Granis.
Galit na galit siya.